નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, દ્રષ્ટિ એજ્યુકેશન ચેનલમાં આપ સર્વેનું સ્વાગત છે. આજે દ્રષ્ટિ એજ્યુકેશન લઈને આવ્યું છે તમારા માટે ધોરણ 8 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં યુનિટ 1 ક્યુ ફોર ક્વેશ્ચન સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી સોલ્યુશન. તો ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ્સ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. આન્સર ધ ફોલોઈંગ ક્વેશ્ચન. Question 1. Who is the host of the contest? The answer is the English teacher Mr. Parmar is the host of the contest. Second question. What is the name of Vikas School? The answer is the name of Vikas School is Smith Vidyalaya. Question 3. Who is Mr. Bright? What does he do? The answer is Mr. Bright, laptop of Mr. Parmar, is the scorer. He keeps the scores of the contestants. Question 4. What is the name of the contest? The answer is the name of the contest is Smart Students of the School Contest. Question 5. Who is the expert for the contest? Answer is Mr. Sharma. The principal is the expert for the contest. Question 6. How many contestants are there? The answer is there are 9 contestants. સાચા વિકલ્પ પસંદ કરી આપણે અહીં તેનો ઉત્તર એ આપણે અહીં બોક્સમાં ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. તો જોઈએ. Question 1. Who welcomes everyone? The answer is option B, Vikas. Question 2. Who is the host? The answer is option A, Mr. Parmar. Question 3. Who is the expert? The answer is option D, Mr. Sharma. Question 4. Who is the scorer? The answer is option C, Mr. Bright. Question 5. What is Mr. Sharma? The answer is option D, principal. Question 6. Annual means? The answer is option C, yearly. Question 7. Which word in the paragraph means anchor? The answer is option C, host. Question 8. Which word is used for one who takes part in a competition? The answer is option B, contestant. Paragraph 2. Question 1. What is the first round? The first round is the fast finger first round. Question 2. How much time will the contestant get to the answer the question? The answer is the contestant will get maximum 7 seconds to answer the question. સાચો વિકલ્પ પસંદ કરી આપણે બાજુના ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. તો જોઈએ. Question 1. Which is the first round? The answer is option C, fast finger first. Question 2. How much time will the contestant get? The answer is option A, 7 seconds. Question 3. Maximum means? Answer is option B, the most. Paragraph 3. Question 1. Who is the first contestant? Answer is Nandita Gosai is the first contestant. Question 2. How much time did Nandita take to answer the question? The answer is Nandita took only 3 seconds to answer the question. પસંદ કરેલો વિકલ્પ આપણે બાજુના ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. Question 1. Who was the quickest? The answer is option C, Nandita Gosai. Question 2. How much time did she take? The answer is option C, 3 seconds. Paragraph 4. Question 1. What will Nandita get for each correct answer? The answer is Nandita will get a gift for each correct answer. Question 2. What will Nandita get for 6 correct answer? The answer is Nandita will get scholarship for Rs 200 every month for 6 correct answer. Question 3. How many helplines are there? Name them. The answer is there are 3 helplines. They are Hello Help, Expert Advice and Student Support. સાચો વિકલ્પ પસંદ કરી આપણે અહીં ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. Question 1. How many questions will Mr. Parmar ask? The answer is option C, 6. Question 2. How many helplines are there? The answer is option C, 3. Question 3. What will the contestant get for each correct answer? The answer is option A, a gift. Question 4. 6 correct answer will get the contestant ખાલી જગ્યા. જવાબ આવશે option B, a scholarship. Question 5. How many helplines can the contestant use? The answer is option B, 2. Question 6. The contestant will get ખાલી જગ્યા for the first 3 questions. The answer is option B, 1 minute. Paragraph 5. Whose help? Question 1. Whose help does Nandita take? The answer is Nandita takes help of helplines. Question 2. Which helpline does Nandita use? The answer is Nandita use helpline of Hello Help. Paragraph 6. Question 1. Which game does Nandita play? The answer is Nandita plays hockey. Question 2. Which award has she won? The answer is she won the Player of the Match award. Question 2. નીચે આપેલા વિધાનો ખરા છે કે ખોટા તે લખો. Question 1. After 3 questions, a contestant will be free from mistake. True. Question 2. There is a helpline through which we can talk to a person. True. 3. The expert is an English teacher. False. 4. Mr. Bright gives 1 minute's time to the contestant. True. 5. Mirabai wrote the Gujarati poem Gram Mata. False. 6. The principal is the host of the contestant. False. 7. Nandita took 3 seconds to answer the question. True. 8. The contestant will get 1 minute to answer the question in fast finger first round. False. 9. 6th correct answer will get the contestant a gift. False. 10. There are 4 helplines. False. Question 5. Paste a photograph of your family in the space given here. અહીં તમારે તમારા કુટુંબનો એક ફોટો ચોંટાડવાનો છે. Prepare a timeline for any one member of your family. તમારા કુટુંબના કોઈ પણ એક સભ્યની ટાઈમલાઈન તૈયાર કરો એવું અહીં કહેવામાં આવેલું છે. આપણે જોઈએ છીએ અહીં ડૉક્ટર વિક્રમ સારાભાઈ, જેમાં પ્રથમ લાઈનની અંદર તેમના વર્ષ લખેલા છે અને એ વર્ષમાં તેમણે શું કર્યું એમનું જીવન અહીં આપેલું છે. તો 1919 born in Ahmedabad. In 1940 degree from Cambridge. 1947 established a physical research laboratory. 1961 he was awarded Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Medal. 1966 awarded Padma Bhushan. 1971 he was died. હવે આપણે તેમના વિશે 5 થી 6 વાક્યો લખવાના છે. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. વિક્રમ સારાભાઈ was one of the greatest scientists of India. He was born in Ahmedabad on August 12, 1990. His father's name was Ambalal and mother's name was Sarla Devi. Vikram Sarabhai went to Cambridge for his college education. He got his degree in 1940. પરિચ્છેદ એટલે કે ફકરો વાંચીને આપણે પ્રશ્નોના ઉત્તર આપવાના છે. જોઈએ ક્વેશ્ચન 1. Who was the first Indian to fly into space? The answer is Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to fly to space. Question 2. How much time did Rakesh Sharma spend in space? The answer is he spent 7 days 27 hours and 40 minutes in space. Question 3. How did the government of India honor Rakesh Sharma? The answer is Rakesh Sharma was awarded the Hero of Soviet Union award on his return from space. The government of India honored him the Ashok Chakra. Question 4. Who was Rakesh Sharma? The answer is option B, astronaut. Question 5. What was Soyuz T-11? The answer is option A, spacecraft. અહીં આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન 7માં રાકેશ શર્મા સાથે એક કાલ્પનિક મુલાકાત થઈ છે એના વિશે લખવાનું છે કે મુલાકાતમાં શું વાતચીત થઈ હશે. તો જઈએ આપણે શરૂ કરીએ. ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅર says, "Hello Mr. Sharma, welcome to our program." Rakesh Sharma says, "Hello, thank you for calling me here." Interviewer says, "Sir, where and when were you born?" Rakesh Sharma says, "I was born in Patiala in Punjab on 13 January 1949. Interviewer says, "Where did you work?" Rakesh Sharma answered, "I work as a squadron leader in the Indian Air Force." Interviewer says, "When did you fly into space?" The Rakesh Sharma answered, "I flew into space on 2nd April 1984. Interviewer asked, "How old were you then?" The Rakesh Sharma answered, "I was 35 years old." Interviewer asked, "How much time did you spend there?" The Rakesh Sharma answered, "I spent 7 days 21 hours and 40 minutes there." Interviewer asked, "How did India look from space?" Rakesh Sharma answered, "सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा." Interviewer asked, "You are right, sir. Any message for our young friends?" Rakesh Sharma answered, "Serve your country. Be proud to be an Indian." Question 8. સાચા વિકલ્પ પસંદ કરી તેનો ઉત્તર એ આપણે ખાનામાં લખવાનો છે. Question 1. Who was written સોરઠ તારા વહેતા પાણી? The answer is option A, ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણી. Question 2. Which is the biggest river in Gujarat? The answer is option D, Narmada. Question 3. Where in Gujarat is the first of the 12 Jyotirling? The answer is option B, Somnath. Question 4. What is Gandhiji's residence in Porbandar known as? The answer is option A, Kirti Mandir. Question 5. Who inaugurated the state of Gujarat? The answer is option C, Ravi Shankar Maharaj. Question 6. Which poet wrote ભલું થયું ભાંગી જંજાળ, સુખે ભજીશું શ્રી ગોપાલ? The answer is option A, Narsi Mehta. Question 7. Who wrote the poem Gram Mata? The answer is option B, Kalapi. Question 8. Name the person who was known as Muchali Ma. The answer is option A, Gijubhai Badheka. Question 9. આપેલા મુદ્દાનો ઉપયોગ કરીને માય સ્કૂલ ઉપર આપણે એક પરિચ્છેદ લખવાનો છે, તો તે જોઈએ. I studied in Adarsh Public School. It was a big school. The building had 3 floors. The principal's office The staff room and the clerk office are on the ground floor. There is a big assembly hall too. There are 8 classrooms on each floor. All the classrooms are big and airy. There is a well-equipped laboratory too. My school has a big library. There are many story books, magazines and newspaper in the library. I like my school very much. અહીં એ સ્વાધ્યાય સોલ્યુશનનો પ્રથમ પાઠ એ પૂર્ણ થાય છે. બીજા પાઠ સાથે ફરી મળીશું. તમને વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો દ્રષ્ટિ એજ્યુકેશન ચેનલને અત્યારે જ સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો, લાઈક કરો અને મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરવાનું ના ભૂલશો. ધન્યવાદ.